Crypto bubbles, it's clear that only some few coins like Popcat, APT, Rune, HNT are dominating Bitcoin. Why the rest? Bitcoin is dominating. And if we look at the current price of Bitcoin right now, it is sitting at 67.276, and the dominance keep increasing. And you can see here we still have the target that we are expecting dominance to go right up to, and total 2 looks bullish as it stands looking at this super groupie chart. And if we go further, we're going to see that dominance chart is at a zone where we might expect the next move of USD dominance to the upside. This USDT dominance is very important in crypto because when dominance is going down in percentage, it means that investors are favoring more Bitcoin. And when it's going up, it means investors are favoring more US dollars. Meanwhile, refinance is taking a huge return to the upside. I think we might see the next move for refinance. This trade, I took this trade and I'm in profit already. But again, there's no certainty on what might happen with refinance. And Baby Doge coin is still struggling to go make the next all-time high after we saw the pump when Binance listed this bad boy. And looking at the liquidation heat map, we can see clearly that Bitcoin can go to 70K this week. Welcome, welcome, welcome back again on Debaton's Crypto. I'm your guy, Debaton. I'm always happy to be here with you guys. I haven't been live with you or created videos because I've been traveling recently. I'm back in Sweden. And I say today I must update you guys on what is going on in the market. So let's dive into what I got for you guys today. But before we dive into it, I want you guys to smash the subscribe button, like if say you haven't yet like, and share the screen. I can see you guys, adventure player Adele. Hi, my daughter. That's my daughter Adele. How are you doing, sweetheart? Hope you're doing so great. Hi, adventure player. Hey, Beton, can I buy more coin on Kraken Exchange? I'm gonna talk about that. I don't know more about that. I don't know if say more coin is even on Kraken. I don't know, but today we're gonna discuss all of this good stuff. Let's dive right away into the show. And don't forget to like the show, like the video, and yeah, let's get into today's stream. Now, I'm gonna begin with crypto bubbles as usual. And we are looking at the top 100 coins right now, right? And we saw ApeCoin doing so well recently. I think this week, and ApeCoin really did well. But of course, once a coin form, we're gonna see or expect retracement for that coin. Rune also is doing well. Popcat is doing well. APT is doing well. Now, there's a new feature here on Crypto Bubble that I think is very awesome, and I want you guys to see. Now, this feature is found around this area where we have the top 1,000 coins. Now, if you click on that area, you're gonna see the performance of the day on the different like from the top 100 to the top 200, top 300, top 400, 5, 6, right up to the top 1,000. And you can see also exchanges that are doing so well. As of now, everything is in red, so you can already look at the top 400 or look at the top 500 to see which pair is doing well on that day. So I think this is a cool features by Crypto Bubbles that it's really important you guys learn about it or learn how to use it. Now let's move to the price of Bitcoin. Again, we have broken structure, and what did I say about breaking of structure? When we break structure, we should expect at least pullback to where the structure was broken, and this is the area where structure was broken. So we should expect price, or we would have expected price to retrace, or seeing price retrace to this area shouldn't be some sort of like let's say bad luck, or maybe you feel price is going down, or Bitcoin is gonna go back to, let's say, 58,000 or 51,000. No, that's not the case. But what I'm expecting is price can retrace, but retrace towards this area, yeah, around right down to 64. But I don't want to see price break below 64. So price cannot do this for Bitcoin. close below this 64. I want to see price close above. So if we're gonna see more deep, it should close here, stay here, then we're gonna see the next right to the upside for Bitcoin. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin next. I don't want to go down to lower time frames, like to look at what is going on there, like in 4 hours. I want to stick on. Well, let's just dive to the 4 hours and let's see what the 4 hours is doing. So let's see if say we got some rejection there. Yeah, you see, yeah, we got some rejections here, and I think not going to the 4 hours time frame is just a sign to let me know that I want to be more on, like, I want to have an expectation that is going to be reasonable, that's staying on the higher time frame and marking zones from those higher time frame, that if price get to those zones, I can now start looking at lower time frame to get into that coin. But as of now, I don't think I should be bothered so much on what is going on. But something good is happening here on the 4 hours time frame. You can see this multiple rejection here. This is good. So if we see price break above this zone, then maybe we can see a little bit movement to the upside, and price can go right up to $70,000. I think Bitcoin can go right up to $70,000 this week. I think so. I'm gonna show more data to back that, because I think we are actually in a super uptrend for Bitcoin. Um, so let's move to the next, which is dominance. Dominance looks bullish. Okay, this is crypto, like market cap, your dominance, Bitcoin, all this stuff. This is it. Now looking at dominance, I think that dominance is gonna go right up to 65, like around this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. I've been talking about this, and I think this is where dominance is going. And from there, maybe we're gonna see pullback, and money can then flow to other altcoins. Guys, we are here to make money in the crypto market. We are here to make what? Money. So when you buy any coin out there, you should be able to understand that you are buying this coin because you want to make money, not because you want to fall in love with that coin. So you're getting it in at the right time. You're getting in at the right time. You're getting it out at the right time. That's taking out profit at the right time. Now, most people lose money not because their coins don't pump. Their coins pump. They lose money because they don't know when to get out. That's why being part of my VIP group is going to help you understand when to buy and when to take out profit. I repeat, if say you don't know when to take out profit, when to buy, then join my VIP and gain access to that. You can also join it through my YouTube membership. Go to Get My Buy and Sell Outlet on YouTube, and you're gonna be part of my VIP community. Okay, so looking at dominance, it's clear that we're gonna get to this target. I don't want to talk more about much about dominance. There's nothing much to talk about, guys. Most of the things we have, like I'm showing you right now, I've already talked about it. So I'm not gonna waste so much time on it. I think we're just gonna go and see what's going on there. Let's look at this on the for yeah, you see, okay, it's been normal to see this pullback, but I don't want to look at this area more on the 4 hours time frame. I want to stick on this time frame to see what price is doing at this level, and from there, I'm gonna now check on other catalysts in the market. Guys, I'm gonna arrange my camera first. I think I want to stand up. Let me arrange my camera. Yeah. Okay. I was sitting down and my back pain, so I have to stand up a little bit. Sorry for that, guys. All right. So looking at this right now, I think we have already established where the dominance is heading towards. Where the alpha trend put a sell signal. This is on the weekly time frame, so this is clear. Now, looking at the total two, guys, this chart is very important. Let me go to a more sophisticated chart that you guys understand. Let me not confuse you guys with this one. So let's stay with this chart. Let me go back to total. This is USDT dominance. So let's go back to the right chart. Let's check total trade. Yeah. So this is total trade, guys. Now, these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reason why I'm showing you this chart is because every altcoin, or all the altcoins out there, are going to pump due to, or based on what this chart is going to do. So if this chart is going to be bullish, then all of your altcoins, meme coins, whatever coin is out there, is going to pump. So if we see something like this, that's already giving us signal and bounce from a key zone here. This area was a key zone that the altcoin market bounce. Yeah. Now, what I want to see is price to keep on forming higher highs from this movement. But if price is able to form higher highs, then maybe we can see pull back into this trend line and back to back to this area, which might be really devastating for altcoins. So I don't care what your altcoin is doing. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care what your altcoin is doing. If your altcoin is bumping, right, then this chart is not going anywhere. Then, my friend, your gains are going to be eaten back by Bitcoin. So you have to like understand. At times when I come here and share all of this stuff, I know most of you don't want to hear. Just want me to talk about Baby Doge coin, refinance, OD, Solana, all the coins you are holding. You just want me to talk about where price is going or when you're gonna buy more or do that. No, this chart is very important. It's very important if you're an investor. Don't focus only on one thing. You have to focus on the bigger picture, the macro perspective of the market, so you understand when it's time to keep staying in your market. That's why I told one of my subscribers, one of my VIP subscribers, that it's not time to sell, right? I know price is dumping, but Bitcoin have gone and make higher highs on this. It's the same, even though Bitcoin is still in the same range, but I consider this zone here as the next move to the upside for Bitcoin. This move to the upside. Now, what we should expect is pullback, and this is what is happening. And pullback should respect structure. So, because Bitcoin have taken this move and form higher highs from this zone, then I expect other altcoins to do the same. Okay, do the same. Now, looking at this again, guys, it's very important you understand the macro perspective of the market. Okay, so looking at this, I can say that we are back in an uptrend for the altcoin market. We are not like we are back, we are still in uptrend of the altcoin market. Now, if say the altcoin market is to create something like this, as I mentioned, then boom, we're gonna see the odd seasons begin. Now there are a lot of indicators that I use to analyze the market, but I'm not gonna bother you guys with all of these indicators because I want you guys to look at the bigger picture first before we can go into what price might do now. Now, talking about what price might do now, this is dominance. Dominance is giving us signals that if say price is to bounce from where it is, like if the dominance um is gonna increase in percentage, then Bitcoin is gonna drop. But if dominance keep going down, then Bitcoin will pump. Okay, of course the U.S. election is coming, and most people are saying, "Oh, the betting market is saying that Trump will win," and Trump is favoring. Like most people who vote for Trump think they are voting for a strong economy. That means if say Trump is going to win all this, if there's a slight chance that the market thinks Trump will win, they are going to pump the price. So it's scary to either buy, sell. Now you have to have like you must be someone with experience to be able to know when to actually get out easily. You must be someone with experience. If not, then most of the gains that you might be making right now are going to be eaten away. Now let's go to Baby Doge coin. What is this bad boy doing? Guys, I've mentioned to you guys that this is divergence. This is divergence. And most of you might not understand what I mean by divergence. Okay? This is simple. For it seems as if price is pumping, but volume is dropping. When volume is dropping, then that's divergence. You see? This chart is showing that price is pumping. But look at the previous high here. After this zone here, all right, ever since price has been going to the downside, it means volume has been reducing, and volume has been reducing, but price is showing as if it's going to the upside. And right now we are below this like look, we have crossed this line in the middle, right? And whenever price cross this line in the middle, it means we should be bearish. So looking at Baby Dogecoin, I can say that maybe on the 4 hours time frame, we might see some sort of quick bounce, like price might do something like this. But if say price is not able to go and form higher highs from this next move, then we might see Baby Dogecoin even plunge more downward towards this area where the bottom moving average is. And if say it gets to that zone, then I'm gonna confirm that we have actually stayed in structure and preparing to go to the next move, to take the next move to the upside. Now, if we drop to, like, say, let's say the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame, looking at this chart, I can really still say that we might see a quick move for Baby Dogecoin, towards where the alpha trend pointed a sell signal. So price can go there before we will see the next move to the downside, right? So this is what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. Again, price can still bounce from here because, yeah, the alpha channel pointed this buy signal and price has been rejecting this zone multiple times. So the way I trade in every time frame is when I see the alpha trend print the buy signal and I see a huge pump to the upside and I see the alpha trend print another signal, which is the sell signal. If the sell signal is not able to go and invalidate this move, the previous move, then I consider that move still in an uptrend. So I consider Baby Dogecoin to be in an uptrend regardless of what is going on here. It's just minor pullback for now. Until price is gonna break structure, then maybe I might start thinking we are back in a downtrend for Baby Dogecoin. So those of you who are trading this bad boy, it's fine. Don't don't fear much as if you might take a huge dip for as of now. But those of you also who are investing in this coin, is still good. Don't think that maybe we are going down to let's say zero, or maybe to, I don't know. We can never go down to zero. But my point here is, because of what the altcoin market is doing, the macro perspective, what Bitcoin is doing, I think we might see the next pump for Baby Dogecoin. We might see Coinbase, other exchanges list this coin, and more liquidity come on board to pump this bad boy to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. I know most of you have your own analysis, your own way of looking at stuff, but the way I look at stuff is more to protect me from what might happen in the future. That's why I'm trading refinance as it stands. I'm not an investor of refinance, I'm a refinance trader. But now looking at the bigger picture for refinance, we saw this huge pump to the upside with this bad boy. And after that pump, we saw this huge dump again to the downside. But again, what is going on here? This is clear. This is pure manipulation. This is pure dumb. In other words, it's like rock pull. But price is still standing. We still have liquidity, yeah, and still opportunities to trade. Now, all of the gains that you have made, yeah, for Reef, those of you who bought it, has been eaten away. Eating, everything is gone. That's why my previous videos has been cautioning you to be able to cash out profit before this dump. Okay, but now let's say you lose some money. How are we gonna make that money again? So right now we're gonna see price move like not like right now. I should like right now, but we're gonna see price move sideways for a long time. Long time. If price is not able to close below this area, then we're gonna see price keep moving sideways for a long time before maybe we recover this vector candle here, and this is gonna be recovered. If say this project is a good project, I don't like, trust me, guys. I am trading this coin only. I don't know what is going on with refinance now. I don't know what the team is doing, what they are up to now. I love the coin because I've been investing in it before, but I stopped investing in it. I'm just a trader, a refinance trader. That's where I am for refinance at this point in time. But maybe they have some issues with their project. Maybe something is not going on right because this dump, is not sustainable. Looking at it like the 2 days straight, it's not good. So are we gonna see more dump or more upside? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what we might see, yeah, next for refinance. But again, all the gains that we have been seeing here, has been eaten away. This looks to me like manipulation, whales, market makers. It's not good. I don't like this. I have to be honest with you guys, to say the truth. Um, welcome, guys. I can see which coins are you talking about here. Let's see. I want you to know I'm following you back to back because your analysis is super great. Kwangbo Joseph, thanks so much for following me. I love that comment. Guys, if you're watching, you haven't yet liked the show, do like the show. Today I won't spend so much time. I think I've already done most of the analysis. Just one part is left, which is a heat map. Let's see. I can see you, Penwilla. Can see you, Wood Monkey. Oh, the Wood Monkey is here. Hey man, how are you? I'm doing great. How about you? Trust you're doing so well. um, Pamela Lewis. Excuse. Don't forget cock. Face blue. Okay, Pamela, I'm gonna check on cock. But I don't know why you said don't forget. As if I had to remember cock. I don't even know what cock is. Um, Abundance Grace say cock. Will cock. Drop two zeros? I don't know. Let's go and check this cock. That these guys are talking about cock. Cock. Is this the right one? I think this should be the right one. Cock. Cock. Let's see. Is it on Bybit? Hmm. Okay. The price action looks good. Let me go to. Let me check this quickly on Coin Market Cap. I want to get the right contract. I don't know if say it's on the Solana blockchain. Let me see if say I have the right ticker. Cock. You know. Let's see. It's a meme coin, by the way. Which blockchain this meme coin? Oh, this meme coin is on Avalanche. Okay. It's Avalanche blockchain. Let's see. Let me copy the contract address. Go to deck screener. The screener. Yeah, this is on Avalanche. It's a meme coin on Avalanche. I don't know why I'm able to. Okay, let's look at this on. Let's see the highest cap. It went right up to 444 million market cap. Let's see where it is right now. Oh boy. So okay, yeah. Looking at this, I think we might see a next. Yeah, we might see a next move to the next move soon for Cock because of this. Well, based on how I analyze the market, the market rejected multiple times. Before we saw a huge pump to the upside. It did again yeah, and yeah. So I think that Cock is for if is favoring more upside than the downside. We might see a huge move to the upside. Now, if we see a huge move to the upside, let's see the target. Where the target is. Or what is the target if say we see the next move? So I bring in my Fibonacci tool from the top of that move to the bottom of here. So this is the target. The first target, if say you want to cash out profit, is here, this zone here for cock, But if say you are someone who really love cock, and you think the coin is bullish or it's really nice. I don't know anything about the coin, so you can get to this area to as your target. You can allow price to get here, you know. So this should be your target, and this zone is a golden pocket, or well, some people call it the I forgot the name now already. I don't know why I should forget the name. This is the 0.618 zone, which is the point of control, or like let me say golden pocket. Yeah, golden pocket. The golden pocket. That is the yeah, the point of control is for voting profile, but this one is the golden pocket. So this is a golden pocket, and you can cash out profit from there for cock. Right? I don't know anything if say it's gonna cancel three zeros. What I do know is that Baby Doge coin will cancel three zeros, because I follow the project. I know a lot about the project, but about Cockino, I cannot really say. So I'm sorry about that. You know, to an extent, I think what is left now is, let's see. Let me go quickly to this heat map. Okay, looking at this heat map, guys, I think for today we might see that price get right up to 68 or $70,000. I think that we might see Bitcoin go right up to $70,000 because we have more liquidity here, or maybe we can see price eat all of this liquidity here around and go right up to $69,000 before we see retracement back to about $66,000. So yeah, I think for now I'm looking at more liquidity to the upside, except something else is going on in the market. But for now, I can see that Bitcoin looks bullish. Looking at this heat map. Okay, so don't sell your altcoin except Bitcoin is gonna break, as I mentioned, break below $64,000. Then that's when you should be concerned with your altcoins. Okay, for now, most of the profit that's gonna leave Bitcoin is gonna flow into altcoins. Now the market makers are just trying to look at which coins to pump. They have pumped ApeCoin. Who knows the next coin to be pumped? Let's see the top 100 coins. Let's see which one is pumping. They pump ApeCoin already. Let's see for the week which coin has done so well. You can see ApeCoin is up 90%. Dogecoin has been pumped as well. Mio. Let's see on the other time frame. This is the top 200 coins. You can see goats has been pumped. You know, if we keep going to the upside, like to more, you can see deep and virtual. Like guys, they are going to snipe through the cash or the profit they made from Bitcoin to most of these altcoins. That's why you have to pay attention to what the entire market is saying. With Docs hit $1. Actually, I'm not. I think Docs. Um, Let me see something. If Docs can reach $1, I don't know actually about that, but I think Doc is on Binance. By the way, let me look at Docs now on the weekly time frame. Let's see. Yeah, it can hit $1. Yeah, I think Doc can hit $1. It can hit the $1. But again, I don't know the narrative of this coin. I don't know which blockchain. I think Docs is on. Let me just look quickly which blockchain Docs is on. Let me see. Docs. So this is a ruin. Yeah, Docs is on Bitcoin blockchain. So I think it's possible Doc can hit that, because this is on Bitcoin blockchain. It's one of the Bitcoin meme coins, so it can hit $1. But again, it's gonna be depending on what Bitcoin will do long term. Of course, we know Bitcoin will not do well long term, so Docs also might do well long term. Except we see a new meme coin on the Bitcoin blockchain that's gonna eat all the liquidity from Doc. Yeah, eat all the Doc's liquidity. Then that might be difficult for Doc coin to get to $1. But again, let me tell you guys something that I think you should understand before I leave. Um, you have to understand one thing about cryptocurrency. I know I always say understand one thing, but it's just the way I talk. Like when something is serious, I have to say you have to understand one thing. you know, these guys are not here to make you money. They are here to steal your money. This is a player versus player game. Now, if you're buying any meme coin, you should be able to understand why you're buying that meme coin. I'm buying the only meme coin I'm buying now is Baby Doge coin, because I understand what they are doing. Okay, I can play the game. If I want to buy another meme coin, let me not. Did I say the only meme coin? No. One of the meme coin I'm buying is Baby Doge coin. Let me rephrase. I'm buying Trump coin. Now, the mistake I made, like based on what I said, it has something to do with what I want you guys to understand about what I said. What I want you guys to understand is this: When you are buying any meme coin, you should understand the narrative behind that meme coin, understand the community behind that meme coin, understand what utility that meme coin is building, or if say they have a roadmap. And also the blockchain that meme coin is being launched on is very important. Like Docs is launched on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay. Now, why is the coin pumping, or why is the market cap so high? It is because most of the Bitcoin investors have done most of their money in it. Because guys, these people, they might put, let's say, hundreds of millions of dollars in that project, and they keep making money gradually from those who are gonna be buying, thinking this coin is gonna pump, you know. And at one point, they might dump it on you guys to go and buy more Bitcoin, because the essence here is to buy more Bitcoin. That's what they are up to, or that's what they are all about. Buy more Bitcoin. Okay, so I just want to leave you guys with this today before I go. Make sure you always know why you're buying a coin, when you're buying that coin, and when you're gonna get out from that coin. If you don't have all of this knowledge, then feel free to hop to my VIP community, and you are gonna get my buy and sell signal. The link to join my VIP is found at the description of this video. Go to my link tree and join my VIP to get access to my buy and sell signal. Because we are in a moment where if you don't know what you're doing, then it's going to be bad for you. But if you know what you are doing, following my analysis, then you are good to go. You are good to go. Just keep coming here every now and then. Let's look at the market and let's see how we can make each other lots of profit, lots of money. All right. I'm gonna go right now. I have to go get my son from the school, So I have to go right now. And guys, see you. I think I'm gonna be live again in, like, let's say 5 hours, or let's say 6 hours. I don't know, but I wanna be live again, or I wanna share another video. But again, it was awesome, you know, having you guys around. Always, always awesome having you guys around. If you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. Hit it one right now, and see you the next time. Yeah. Ciao, guys.